What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over how to trade crypto on the Webull app in 2021. Now, I just started using Webull, and I got to say I'm really impressed with it. They've got some really cool features for pulling up different graphs. Buying's very easy. The app is very user-friendly, and we're going to be checking out here on the Galaxy S21. Now, if you guys want to get started at any point, I'll throw some bonus and resource links in both the description and comments of this video. And yeah, so I'm logged in right now. Right now, you can only buy 4 different crypto coins, which is probably the biggest drawback. I'm sure they're going to add more in the future. So you've got Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Now, I'm going to pull up Ethereum because I did actually buy a little bit of it just recently. But Webull has really good graphs, okay? Like you can pull up the 1-minute chart. You can change it to candlestick charts. You can set different buy and sell orders, which is very easy to do as well. But honestly, when it comes to like the charting on here, I really like it. Now, they also have free commission trading, so you don't have to pay any fees for buying or selling. And I think this is a big deal because, you know, basically a lot of other apps out there, you know, Coinbase, eToro, Kraken, any other crypto apps I can think of, even Binance, you know, they are going to have trading fees, but on Webull, you don't have to deal with that. And I think Webull, you know, probably its biggest competitor is Robinhood, which I do want to pull up here in just a sec because I do own a lot more crypto on Robinhood. And I'm still just getting used to using Webull, but it's very easy as far as like, you know, being able to buy and sell. You know, not a whole lot to it. It's like I said, it's very user friendly. And yeah, but I do want to throw up Robinhood real quick because like I said, this is probably the biggest competitor to Webull right now. And I have a lot more, you know, money in crypto on Robinhood, mainly because I've been using it longer. So on Robinhood, you've got 7 different coins that you can buy, sell, and trade. You've got basically, you know, the same ones as Webull, plus you've got like Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, and one other coin on here. But I am going to pull up what I own, which is going to be Ethereum. Now, Robinhood, the biggest thing that I don't like about it compared to Webull is the fact that you don't have like the, you know, the charting where you can pull up like the 1-minute chart to kind of see the buying and selling going on, or like the 2-minute chart or things like that, especially if you like to trade. Those kind of things are actually pretty important, honestly. You know, when you're taking a look at graphs and you can kind of see like the volume and the buying and selling happening kind of almost in real time, it will help you actually, you know, as far as like trading goes. But yeah, so bottom line, guys, it's very easy to use Webull. The buying and selling is pretty straightforward. The graphs on here are really nice. And, you know, like I said, its biggest competitor is going to be Robinhood. 2 coins I would recommend, though, on Webull. I would definitely check out Bitcoin Cash. I think that could go up a lot this year. You know, it's definitely well below its all-time highs. And of course, I really like Ethereum. So, I mean, if you have a little bit of extra money, not financial advice, guys, I would recommend getting Ethereum. If you could pick it up in like the $1,200-$1,300 range before it starts to moon, you know, over 2K. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to get started on Webull, like I said, I'll throw some links in the description and comments. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.